The harmful effects of smoking. Smoking is a habit that seriously affects health and is the biggest killer of people every year around the world. Although many people know that it is not good, smoking is still seen as a habit that is not easy to quit. To help you understand better, here are the serious effects that smoking has on the body and human life. 1. Affects the respiratory system, lungs, and air. Smoking is the biggest risk factor for lung disease because when cigarette smoke enters the lungs, it causes inflammation and damage to the cells needed to breathe normally. COPD, which includes asthma and chronic bronchitis, which make breathing difficult every day. Lung cancer, which is a deadly and difficult to treat cancer. There is a lot of mucus and a persistent cough because air cannot pass through the lungs easily. Can lead to shortness of breath, wheezing, and difficulty carrying things, climbing stairs, or exercising. 2. Affects the heart and blood vessels. Smoking causes blood vessels to harden, thicken, and narrow, which creates serious problems for the functioning of the heart. Risk of heart attack because blood cannot flow properly. Raises blood pressure, causing the heart to work harder than usual. Can lead to stroke, which can cause disability or sudden death. Smokers are 2 to 4 times more likely to have heart disease than normal people. 3. Affects the digestive system. The palate and stomach are also affected by the toxins in cigarettes. Causes cancer of the mouth, throat, and esophagus. Can cause dark circles under the eyes, lumps in the mouth, and bad breath. Causes gastritis or stomach ulcers because nicotine produces a lot of acid. Causes stomach irritation, making you hungry quickly or irregularly. 4. Affects the skin and stomach. The skin is the part that shows the effects of cigarettes most clearly. Smoking causes skin to age faster, wrinkle, and sag. Skin cells receive less oxygen, making the skin look dry, weak, and dull. It makes the skin dehydrated and prone to irritation. It affects the hair, causing it to fall out quickly and become weak. 5. Affects the reproductive system and fertility. What many people don't know is that smoking affects sexual ability and vitality. Men can experience erectile dysfunction, ED, because blood does not flow properly to the blood vessels. Reduces the quality of sperm to a low and weak number. Women can have problems with delayed fertility, abnormal conception, and high risks during pregnancy. Children born to mothers who smoke may have low birth weight, delayed brain development, and many health risks. 6. Effects on the immune system. Smoking weakens the immune system, making people more susceptible to diseases. Easily infected with colds, asthma, pneumonia, and other respiratory diseases. The body has difficulty absorbing toxins. Wounds and ulcers heal more quickly than normal people. Increased risk of many types of cancer, such as bladder, stomach, intestines, and liver. 7. Effects on the emotions and brain. Nicotine in cigarettes make the brain more susceptible to addiction. Causes addiction, which makes you want to smoke every day. People who smoke a lot may have high stress, irritability, or emotional instability. When you quit smoking, the body may experience withdrawal symptoms such as dizziness, irritability, tension, and insomnia. Affects memory and perception, making the brain age faster than normal people. 8. Effects on those around you. Secondhand smoke. People who do not smoke but live with smokers are also affected. Children can get pneumonia, cough, asthma, and ear infections. Pregnant women can be affected by the effects of smoking on their unborn baby. Causes heart and respiratory diseases in adults. Many people die every year from breathing in secondhand smoke, even if they are not smoking themselves. 9. Social and daily life effects. Smoking not only affects health, but also affects many aspects of life every day. Can lose a lot of money every month or year. Makes it difficult to get some jobs that do not allow smoking. Makes people around you laugh or exclude you from groups. Bad body odor in clothes can easily make people uncomfortable. Affects attractiveness and trust in social life. 10. Long-term effects. If you continue to smoke for years, the body will suffer damage that is difficult to recover. Lung capacity is reduced by 50 to 60%. The heart works very hard and the risk of heart attack increases significantly. The dental system and gums are severely damaged. Teeth can fall out. The body is thin or weak because the digestive system is not good. The overall life is always shorter than that of non-smokers by about 10 to 15 years.